Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss about chapter 1 worksheet 5 rational numbers. Now we solve question number 1. State whether the following statements are true. If not, justify your answer. On the number line, all the number to the right of a 0 are positive. This is true because right hand side are positive side and left hand side are negative side. So this is true. The next, rational number minus 7 by minus 19 lies to the left of a 0 on the number line. This is false because as minus 7 by minus 19 equal 7 by 19 because minus minus plus. It is a positive rational number which always lies on the right of the 0. So it is false. Then another point, on a number line, number become progressively larger as move away from 0. It is also true. Then another point 4. Rational number 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 are equal distance from 0. 2 by 3 and 0 by 3. This is 0. Then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, then this is also minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, equal distance from 0. So it is also true. Then on a number line left to a given number is greater. False. The number lying on the right of the 0 are greater. So it is also false. Now we solve question number 2. Mark the following rational numbers on a number line. First, we draw a number line. Then we write 0. 0 is origin point. Then 1, 2, 3. This is right hand side. Then we write right hand side is positive side. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is negative side. And left hand side. Now we solve first point. 4 by 5. First, we convert 4 by 5 is decimal number. First, we divide. 4 is smaller than 5, so you put decimal. Then you put 10, 5 8 is 40. And sorry, 0.8. So, this is 0.5, then 0.6, 7, 8. This is 0.8. So we write 4 by 5. Then next, minus 8 by minus 3. This is negative side. So first I find a decimal. Minus 8 by 3. Then 3 2 ja 6. Then 8 minus 6 2. Then we give point and 1 0. 3 6 ja 18. Then we find also 2. Then 2.6. This is negative side. Minus 2.6. Minus 2.5 is minus 2.6. So here we write minus 8 by 3. The next 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Then 5 minus 1, 4 equal to 1. Then you put decimal. Then you put here 1 0. 2 5 ja 10. 2.5. 2.5. This is positive side. 2.5. So here we write 5 by 2. Then we see minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. 3 2 ja 6. 7 minus 6 1. Then you put decimal 1 0. 3 3 ja 9. Then 1 0 3 3 ja 9. Then 2.3. This is negative side because minus 7 by 3. 2.3. Here minus 2. 1 2 3 4. This is 2.3. So here we write minus 7 by 3. This is A, then B, then here is C, then D. Now we solve question number 3. Represent the following rational numbers on a number line. First point, minus 3 by 5. First I draw a number line. First we find its rational number, decimal number. Then minus 3 by 5 equal 3 5. 3 is less than 5, so we put decimal and here we put 1 0. 5 6 ja 30. Now answer is 0.6. So first we put origin point, then 1 2. Then here minus 1 minus 2. And this is negative side. We put right left hand side. Answer is 0.6. Here 0.5 0.6. So we write minus 3 by 5. Here A. The next 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. First we divide it 3 and 2. 2 is less than 3, so here we put decimal and we put 1 0. 3 6 18. Then 20 minus 18 equal 2. Then answer is 0.6. So first we draw a number line. Then we put origin number 0 and 1 2. Then here minus 1 minus 2. This is negative number. So we put 0.6, 0.5, 0.6. 2 by minus 3. Now we solve next point. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. First we divide it. 3 is less than 4, so we put decimal. Then 4 7 ja 28. Then 2 0.7. Here we put origin point 1 2. Then minus 1 minus 2. It is positive side. Answer is 0.7. This is 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. So we write 3 by 4. Now we solve another point 4. Minus 4 by minus 7. First we divide it. Here we put decimal 0. Then 7 6 ja 42 is greater number. 7 5 ja 35. Then 5. Then you put 0. Then 7 7 ja 49. 0.57. So first we draw a number line. Here the origin point is 0 1 2. Then minus 1 minus 2. Here minus minus plus. So it is positive number. We write right hand side 0.57. 0.57. Then here we write minus 4 by minus 7. Thank you.